Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today's video pretty much doing a multi-time frame analysis, like how to trade multi-time frame, how to trade different time frame and know where to take your trade from. So let's do it together. So right now I'm on my trader casa, and this is what the interface looks like. I think last time I posted a backtesting using trader casa, which is free. Like I get a lot of comment like how it works, how does trader casa work. It's free, but it has the paid version. Paid version, that's where you won't be seeing any sort of ad, like you backtest seamlessly without any form of interruption or any like hindrance of any form of ads or whatsoever. So I'm going to be dropping the link below so for you to register, try the free version. If you don't like the free version, you can try the paid version. Paid version, you won't be getting any form of ads. So let me just take you through what the interface looks like on trader casa. This is the dashboard. This is where you pretty much see what the trader casa looks like. Then the analytic, there's analytic there. This is what the analytic looks like. Okay, this gives you your total data, your overall profit and loss trades, and all of that. Then you have the report. This is where you get the report of your trade, how far you've been trading, have you been making profits, losses. That's where you you get to see your analysis. Then this is the back testing. You can book any section here. There's like a notepad here too. There's also a setting notepad where you analyze. Just come here, mark the dates you're going to use to analyze. Okay, this notepad you can pretty much use it for anything. Document your profit and loss. So many other things. You can use it for so many other things. So let's pretty much go to the dashboard. This to backtest and multi-time frame analysis. Let's see what works like. Yeah, how to trade multi-time frame analysis without like just taking your trade from just one time frame alone. Like this time around, I'm trading multi-time frame analysis. So we're going to start. So let's go to backtest. Like I'm going to be seeing different stuff here. I don't know what I'm saying. Okay, now backtest. I'm going to be doing new season. Like I'm going to be seeing different because I've been using this app for more. I've been using to backtest. I'm not seeing all my stuff here. But it's all fine. Let's go to new season. New season. I get to write my name. I can just put anything. I can just put LOL. Then starting, but I can start with any other amount. Like I said, it's like upper back testing. Then select I like to use here's the JPY. Here's the JPY, and I want to start from 2024. I don't want us to do too much. 2024, so that the video will not be. So 2024. This is January 2024. So we'll just start from let's say October 1st, and let's see October 1st is where we're starting from. Then you scroll down, then you save. So this is the one I just this is a new section I just booked, and I'll just click on the video icon. So it's going to show me my charts now. So this is my charts. And before I start, how to do the fast version of this one. So everything here, I change the color. The color normally is red and green. So I change it. How did I change it? Change it from here. I go to the setting. I change this one to was it red? I changed it to purple. This one I changed it to black. And that's my color, so I can decide to change it. Then how to play this thing, you have to shift it to this point, shift it to the highest. Then when you shift to the highest, this one you make it 1 hour, so that when you are back testing, let's say back testing or forward testing, it's going to be fast, so you end up spending the whole day on the charts. So let's just quickly go to the monthly time frame. Let's see what the market has in store for us. Like I said, we're backtesting from November 1st, 2025. So as you can see, the market is an uptrend, right? So what I simply do is anytime I go to different time frame, I just use my trend line to mark out, I use my trend line. What's my trend line again? Okay, this is my trend line. Like some tools I just like pick out. So I'm just going to pick this trend line. On my trading view, like if I go to my trading view here, I just like asterisk those things, those tools that we'll be needing, which are the major tools, right? So let's quickly go to the trader casa. I think I aesthetic some of them. That's why they are here. On the norm, when I aesthetic them, they come. I see that I just like expect it to be here. So on my weekly time frame, I mostly is yeah. No, I was looking for it. I know when I aesthetic them, I get to see them somewhere. So these are the major things I use. Like let me put them here. So for my trend, I just like mark out the eye of the market. Sorry, the eye of the market and the low. They call it low. They call it since the market is a bullish trend, so they call this. So I'm marking out the I and I'm marking out the I go to the other time frame. You know, doing multi time frame analysis. Other low. I see markets broke from this point on the daily time frame. So if I'm going to the 4 hours, what am I expecting? I'm just coming from the daily time frame. So if I'm to like check on your daily time frame, see the market just book major resistance here. But I think there's also another one here, which the market is definitely moving up. Then this, I'll just wait for market to look for any possible retracements to enter the buy because market is bullish. You should not be selling. You just look for a good entry, and I would suggest like entry from here. But this is far, so I'm just going to look for any possible like retracement. Let's say from here. If we can't get from here, we can enter from here. So my 4 hours, I want to enter from it. But let's still check on other time frame to see if we're correct. So this is the point I will want to enter my buys from. Yeah, there's also a zone here the market has not come and touch. Market is definitely an uptrend. So what I should be looking out for is what buys, as you can see. So if I go to my 1 hour, to be getting the same. So let me just put my buy position here. It's here. That was a loss. That was a loss. That was a loss. That was a loss. But market triggered our entry. When you triggered our entry, start moving. So that was a loss. So let me go back to my 4 hours time frame. Start spacing for a buy. Market broke from this point. So definitely market is going to come and retest this point before it starts buying again. But let's see. I feel you should just wait for the market. When you're like doing a top-down analysis like this, you just wait for the market to like come to your entry point before you buy. Don't say, oh, because I am taking a sell from this point to this point, I want to enter a buy from this point. I should not let me enter the sell to get my buy and all of that. So what I'm going to do, the market has broke up. So the market is currently what trending up. So since market has taken me out from there, where I should be looking forward to take another buy entry from is this point. So let's see. Let's see. Let's see what market does there. Let me place my buy position there. Let's see how market reacts to that point and see if we're still going to like take that buys. You see, can you imagine? So market did not even eat us out. Market did not eat us out though. I thought market eat us out. So if check well, market did not eat us out at all, at all, at all. Market did not eat us out. I thought market eat us out. And that was a good sharp buy. That was a good sharp buy. That was a good sharp buy. That was a nice one. Nice one, nice one, nice one. So let's, since market has, so now it's to sell from here, like this zone is to sell from here to this point. But let me see how markets react to on that zone first before selling. But I can see buyers are still like, I think what's spike up this thing was fundamental news. So anytime like news take it, you always check news, like check fundamental, and you can check news using Forex Factory. Let me help you with that. Oh, I'll do that in another video. You can check news using Forex Factory. So this spike was news here, fundamental. Might be CPI of NFP. So NFP that do spike like this. So at this point, I should be selling, like, not because it's a resistance zone. I must definitely see something that is making me to sell. And I'm still expecting market to come and mitigate this point. Yes, expecting market to come and because price broke out from this point, and there's still like this is like a breaker block here. Sorry, other block here. Let's see what happens. But right now, I think I'm just going to like let me check from the higher time frame if market is right for a sell. I need to know what zone is that. Yeah, so on the higher time frame is looking like market is still going to still push up here before it starts selling. But let's see. This is like a zone, yes. Let me mark this out. There's a zone that it's looking like market is going to like respect the zone and push down before it start pushing up. Every single time I like to mark out zones. Anytime I see zones, other block, breaker block with my train line, so I get to like understand very well. Like you check most of my charts, I mark out block, other block, and breaker block, liquidity. I use price action, right? But I added all these things are part of things that I should be looking out for. Price action is more of the higher low. Price action is more of market structure using. So my strategy is price action, right? When that price action, I add breaker block and what's it called? Breaker block and other block. Then I kind of add liquidity. So I think that's what has been working for me for this past few weeks, and I would just like say I like it like that. So this zone before I'm waiting for like a buyer. Like I said, we're still doing multi-time frame analysis. So we're still doing multi-time frame analysis. See the one with soak here, price, was markets. That what's it called that thing? Fundamental. Always check fundamental. I realize that this is a back test. We're back testing. So what I want to do at that point is to sell. Yeah, I want to sell. Why am I selling? Because this is at a resistance zone. Except market breaks it with a full candle, body candle, then I think I'm like I need to come and like do full explanation about this strategy that I use, so that it's not as if I'm speaking Spanish to you guys. So at this point here, this breaker block, I just and this breaker block here, I say breaker block. Yeah, if you even check this, if you check this daily time frame chart, you can see that yeah, market has broken structure. Check it, the market broke structure. The market was a downtrend before what? Before it start giving us that what? Trend. So if you have to buy, you should be buying from this point. Sorry, should buy from this point that the market broke out from. I'll wait for a retracement. Start also wait for a retracement. Market comes here. I'll buy it. Market take now. Next other block I'll be waiting for. Next breaker block. This is the candle broke a major resistance here. Do you understand? I said I want to sell. So let me put my sell position here. Checking the other time frame. My short position here. Yeah, at this point. But if the candle is able to, like, if price breaks this point, ahead, I know that the trend has changed. The markets will keep buying, price will keep buying. So let's see. So that line I drew it from a zone. I did not pick my entry from any point. Whenever you're picking your entry, make sure you're picking your entry on a zone. Like, look at the zone. If it's a strong zone, how do you get to know a strong zone when price have reacted to that particular zone? Like, it is a zone now. To know that if this zone is a strong goal, you know, when we placed our buy position, market has not. This was just one zone there. So when we placed our buy position, the market came to us react to this one, and I think we reacted twice. So this is the strong. So that's what, if we're putting our sell position here, we're not going to, like, it's not going to be more than this point, because this is a strong zone. Price can come and react and start moving up. So that's also another thing to consider when placing your TPSL. Make sure you're placing it on a strong zone that price can come and react to. Do you understand? So another one, let's try this. Let's see. On a weekly time frame, market is still bullish, right? Market is still bullish. Market is still bullish. Yeah. You check my 4 hours time frame, you see why I'm selling. Yeah. Price came from here, broke this broke this point. A candle broke out from this point. Price came from here, broke this point. Then it started giving us what? A bearish move. From a bearish move, now the market started giving us what? Price started giving us what? A bullish move. But the overall trend is still bullish anyways. But let's quickly test out this and see what it is. Template. Monthly time frame analysis. Nice. I have taken my own profits here. This is a good one. At least this you don't have to wait it CPO. Sometimes you don't have to wait it. When you see market has given you something enough, you just jackpot. This is no ratio 4, and this is good. Our first one TP it, second one TP it. So let's see. I think market is going to, like, that point again to retest it. Oh, market has broken through there. So definitely we have to aim for what? For more buys. By aiming for more buys. One thing is buying type is still valid. Because market has passed there, market will come and trigger that entry. And also, so that market, this place is no longer valid. Once the market comes and start giving us another break of structure, then you don't know if you have to take this buy or not. So right now, price is telling us that now it is a bullish form. So what I would do is to wait for what? I'll just cancel this one. Wait for a retracement back to this point, then enter what? Another buy. While I am doing that, this is a multiple time frame analysis. Like, I'm not just taking so I'm going to buy to that place I lined my trend line before. To that point, there's a trend line, because that is where there's, like, so that is where there's a valid point to take your CP. So now, if you go to the 4 hours time frame, it helps me to know which point this line is coming from. I can also, like, click on it to put the what's it called? I can also click on it, go to setting, put a text where the line is coming from, which is the weekly time frame. Which is the weekly time frame to, like, indicate, okay, this zone is from the weekly time frame. This resistance zone is from the weekly time frame. So right now, all I just need to do is what? Wait. So let me play. Let's see if price is going to come and trigger us. Price has come and trigger us. That was And else, I think my SL was even, let's make it 26 pips and see. If I see it goes out, then that's fine. That's sitting us out. So that was a loss. 2 win, 1 loss. If I go to daily time frame again, I can see the market is definitely moving down, downwards movement. So what am I going to do? I'll just check multiple time frame. That's why it's a multiple time frame analysis. I'm checking the daily now. I just finished checking the weekly. Okay, I'm kind of seeing the market is going to come and react to that point. That point that we placed a buy before. So let's see. This market really react to what the market is saying. Let's see. I think market has come to that point that we marked out before. So let's play and see. Okay, I think that time we should put our buy there. So that point, that point is not valid. So let me put my buy limit there. So I will not do too much, right? I'll just buy to this point. Then make it about 30 pips stop loss or 26 pips stop loss. So this is okay. So I'll just simply play it. So good. TP8 on this particular one, and this is what we should do it. So we have 3 win, 1 loss. The proper risk management, you know. So that is multiple time frame analysis, like just going to multiple time frame and just like taking your trade. All I need to do is just go to my daily, mark out the high and the low. After that, mark out the high and the low resistance. This is major resistance here, right? And this is like the major support here. This is also a support, right? But this is the major support that price can easily come and react and start moving up. I don't know if you get me, right? So that's why I marked out this point. That's why I marked out this. That's why I marked out this point. That's why I marked out this point, right? If I check my daily time frame, you get to see the reason why I marked it out. So you can see the reason why I marked it out this point, and price came to react. You know, I was saying that this time when the price had already moved past and price was not going to come back, price still came back, you know, and still come and what tapped us in. Then we kept on what's moving. If I check well, but I like trading more on the higher time frame or daily time. If I get to see big charts clearly on weekly, daily time frame, 4 hours, then I can use the 15. Maybe it's just like confirmation. 15 minutes is just more like confirmation. But for the stuff, just like confirmation of my entry, as in I like, you know, come here and, you know, well, I love the weekly, daily. You see a high and a low, right? Just mark it out. Yeah, mark it out. That's even where you get to like understand better. Mark your high out, mark your low out. Okay, I'm not sure you're not seeing what I'm doing. Okay. If you go to how I started, before I started, there's like a high there, which is the resistance, which is this one. I marked on the weekly time frame. Then the low, this is the low there, which I marked on, was it daily time frame or so? And I also marked the previous low, which is the support. Yeah, support. Then I went ahead doing my back test. I went to the 4 hours. I went to the 4 hours. The first trade I took, let me explain. the first trade I took the first trade I took was as a result of this. There was like a ranging from here, right? So I decided to like take a buy. Since the market is an uptrend, first of all, I need to know what the trend of the market is. The market is an uptrend, so I decided to take a buy here, hoping to take my TP from here. Then at this zone, if the market is not able to like, if price is not able to break it with the full body candle off this zone, the market is going to what, sell back. So that's what I did. I bought, then I sold back, right? Then after that, I decided to buy again. The market took me out. Then there was this position I had before in mind. Okay, I'm expecting price to come to this zone, right? Then I'll take my buy from. Let me go to the 4 hours time frame. I think this was it here. I'll take my buy from, and that happened. Backtesting helps build your confidence, and also forward testing. So like not just backtesting, forward testing to help to build your confidence. Whenever like you're on the chart, you don't have to backtest all the time. Sometimes forward test and see what the market is currently doing. If your backtesting and forward testing is still the same, I don't know if you're getting what I'm saying. Well, that will also help too. Then the last one, I decided to like take another entry. When the market took me out, regardless, let's see. Let's maybe I entered from the wrong angle. So at this point, I could have secured more profit though. At this point, I could have secured more profit because at this point now, market is giving us another form of structure. Market is giving us another form of structure. So I think it's coming back to our entry point and probably take us out. So that's one of the reasons when the market is really going away. Sometimes that you just have to like, okay, sometimes like you have to wait till your profit is like, 8, and sometimes when you know it's approaching your profit, you can just take it out because market can eat your profit, like go about almost eating your profit and go and eat your stop loss. Do you understand? That one is also there. So please can you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos, more comprehensive video like this. Yeah, my laptop battery is low. Can you subscribe to my YouTube channel for more comprehensive videos like this? Like, share to your loved ones, friends,